Hello everyone, I am Adrija. Welcome to my study room. Today we are going to start with class 7 perimeter and area exercise 11.1. So let's start with the first question. What is the first question? The length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. Find number 1 is its area and number 2 the cost of land if 1 meter square of the land costs rupees 10,000. So you can see the rectangle. Suppose this is the rectangular piece of land. The length and breadth are 500 and 300 meter respectively. This is the length 500 meter and the breadth 300 meter. Okay. Now what we need to find out? We need to find out its area. So solution. So what is the formula of area of rectangle? The formula of finding the area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay. You can see length and breadth is given. So let's write area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. What is the formula? Length into breadth. L into B or length into breadth. Okay. Now what is the length? It is 500 meter. And what is the breadth? It is 300 meter. So 500 meter into 300 meter. 5 3s are 15. Then number of zeros, here is 2 and here also 2. So what is the answer? 1,50,000. This is 0. 1,50,000. So what is the unit of area? We cannot write meter, okay? Then it will be wrong. The unit of area is meter square. Okay, because meter into meter, it is meter square, right? So the unit of area is always meter square. If you write meter, then it will be wrong. So what is the answer? 1,50,000 meter square. The area of this rectangular plot is 1,50,000 meter square. Now let's move to the second number. The cost of the land. We need to find the cost of the land. Find the cost of the land. If 1 meter square of the land costs rupees 10,000. So what is the area of this land? It is 1,50,000 meter square, right? But it is telling if 1 meter square of the land costs rupees 10,000. If 1 meter square costs rupees 10,000, then we need to find the cost of the land. Means we need to find the cost of 1,50,000 meter square. So what is given? Cost of 1 meter square of the land, right? It is rupees 10,000. Then now what we need to find out? 1,50,000 meter squares cost, right? So cost of 1,50,000 meter square of the land. It is, we need to multiply it. 1 meter square cost is this much, then 1,50,000 meter square will be 10,000 multiplied by 1,50,000, right? So rupees 10,000 multiplied into 1,50,000 meter square. Now what is the answer? Rupees, because it is telling cost. Cost will always come in rupees. 15 ones are 15. Then how many zeros? 1 2 3 4. 4 zeros. Then over here 1 2 3 4. Here also 4 zeros. Right? You can see such a big answer. So the cost of 1,50,000 meters square of the land is what? It is rupees 150,000,000,000. This is the answer. Okay. So with this we have completed question number 1. What is the question number 2? Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. So you can see this is the park, it is square, right? So find the area of the square park. We need to find this area whose perimeter is 320 meter. So first, what is the formula of area of a square? It is side into side. Okay, side square, side into side. So if we need to find the area of the square, we need to find one side, right? We need to find one side. And what is the formula of perimeter of a square? It is 4 into side. The formula of perimeter of a square is 4 into side. So over here also there is side. So if we know the length of one side, then we can easily find out the area of the square part. So first from this perimeter 320 meter, we are going to take out the length of one side. Then we are going to find its area. So solution. First, perimeter of square. Perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Right? Now, if perimeter of a square is 4 into side, then what will be side? Side of each square, it will be perimeter by 4. Okay? Perimeter by 4. Or side. Side of a square. Is perimeter by 4. Okay. What is the perimeter? It is already given 320 meter. 320 meter by 4. Let's divide it. 4 8 is 32. 8 then 0. So what is the answer? It is 80 meter. 80 meter is the length of each side, one side of a square, 80 meter. So one side is 80 meter. Then the other sides will also be 80 meter because this is a square. In a square all the sides are equal. Right? All the sides will be 80 meter. So from this length of sides, we are going to find out the area. Area of square. So what is the formula of area of a square? I have already said you now. It is side into side. See, we have already got the side. Side multiplied by side. So both sides will be same, right? 80 into 80. 80 meter. 80 meter into 80 meter. 8 is 64. Right? Then 2 zeros. Now what I have said you in the previous video, it is the unit of area is meter square, not meter. If we write meter, it will be wrong. Okay, we need to write meter square. So the area of the square park is 6,400 meter square. This is the answer. Therefore, the area of the square park is 6,400 meter square. Okay, this is the answer. Find the area. We have found out the area. With this we have completed question number 2 of exercise 11.1. Question number 3. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 meters square and the length is 22 meter. Also find its perimeter. So the area is given. You can say this is a rectangular plot of land. So we need to find the breadth. Area is given, it is 440 meters, 440 meters square, and the length is given, it is 22 meter. Also find its perimeter. Then we need to find its perimeter. So Solution. First, what we are going to do? What is the formula of area of rectangle? It is length into breadth, right? Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length into breadth. Or now then, what will be the breadth of the rectangle? Right? We need to find the breadth of the rectangle. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Then breadth will be what? Area by length. Area is L into B, length into breadth. Then breadth will be area by length. So breadth of the rectangle, will be area by length. Okay. What is the area? It is 440 meters square, right? By and length is 22 meter. So 22 2s are 444, right? 22 2s are 44 and then 0. So what? 20. And breadth is not meter square, it will be meter. So what is the breadth? It is 20 meter. The length is 22 meter. It was already given. And the breadth we have found out, it is 20 meter. 20 meter is the answer. Now see over here, it is telling that also find its perimeter. Now we again need to find the perimeter of this rectangle. Okay. So perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle. What is the formula of perimeter of a rectangle? It is 2 into L plus B, length plus breadth. 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Okay? 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. If length is L and breadth is B, then 2 into L plus B. This is the formula of perimeter of rectangle. You have to learn this one. Okay? 2 into L plus B. So 2, and what is the length? 22 meter. 22 meter plus what is the breadth? 20 meter. We have already found it, right? We have solved it and found it. So 2 into 22 meter plus 20 meter. 2 into, so add this one. If we add this one, 2 and then 2 plus 2 is 4. 42 meter. 2 into 42 meter. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. 84 meter. This is perimeter. The unit of perimeter is meter only. Okay. Only for area it is meter square. But the unit of perimeter it is meter. So the answer, what is the perimeter of the rectangle? It is 84 meter. The perimeter of the rectangle is 84 meter. We have found the breadth. It is 20 meter and the perimeter is 84 meter. With this we have completed question number 3. Question number 4. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. If the length is 35 centimeter, find its breadth. Also find the area. So you can see this is the length, okay, 35 centimeter. This is the rectangular sheet whose perimeter is 100 centimeter. If the length is 35 centimeter, find its breadth. We need to find its breadth and also find the area. Then we can find the area. So perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? It is 2 into L plus B, right? 2 into length plus breadth. We can write length as L and breadth as B. 2 into length plus breadth. Now what is given? See, the perimeter of the rectangular sheet is already given. So instead of perimeter of a rectangle, we can write 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter is equal to 2 into L. See, length is also given 35 centimeter. 35 semi plus B. We don't know B. breadth, we need to find out the breadth, right? R. So over here we can write 100 centimeter equal to 2 into 35 centimeter plus b as 2 into 35 centimeter plus b is equal to 100 centimeter, right? We can write it any order. So 2 into 35 centimeter plus b equal to 100 centimeter. We can write like this. Or now if 2 goes over here, then what will be this one? It is multiply, right? So it will become divide 100 by 2. So over here 35 centimeter plus b is equal to 100 centimeter by 2 by 2 5s are 10 and 0. So 35 centimeter plus b is equal to 50 centimeter. Or we need to find out b, right? B is 50 centimeter. 35 here was plus, so here will be minus. Or b is equal to 50 centimeter minus 35 centimeter. Or b is equal to what is this? 5 and 3 4 15. So what is the answer? What is the breadth? B is the breadth, right? It is 15 centimeter. Centimeter is the answer. Now see, over here it is also telling also find the area. Now let's find the area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle. What is the formula of area of rectangle? It is length into breadth, right? Length. We can write it as L into B also. Length into breadth. So what is the length? We already know the length and breadth. Length is 35 centimeter and the breadth is 15 centimeter. So we need to multiply 35 centimeter and 15 centimeter. So we need to multiply 35 into 15, right? 35 and 15. So what is it? 15 5s are 75. 5 and 7 is carry. 15 3s are 45. 45 plus 7 45. 46 47 48 49 50 51 52. So 52. 525. So again over here you can see area. The unit of area is centimeter square or meter square, whatever it is. Here it is centimeter, we will write square. 5 to 5 centimeter is wrong. Area is 5 to 5 centimeter, we cannot say like this. We have to say it as 5 to 5 centimeter square. Okay, so this is the answer. See, we have found out the breadth, it is 15 centimeter, and we have also found out the area, it is 5 to 5 centimeter square, 525 centimeter square. With this, we have completed question number 4 of exercise 11.1. Question number 5. The area of a square park is the same as a rectangular park. You can see this is a square park and this is a rectangular park. If the side of the square park is 60 meter, the length of each side is 60 meter. Okay? And the length of the rectangular park is 90 meter. And the length is 90 meter. Find the breadth of the rectangular park. So we need to find the breadth of the rectangular park. So what is given? The area of the square park and the rectangular park are same, and the side of square park is 60 meter and length of rectangular park is 90 meter. So we need to find the breadth. So first what we are going to do, we are going to take out the area of the square part, because side is given. What is the formula of area of square? It is side into side, right? So area of square park, area of square Area of square is side into side. That means all the sides are same. 60 meter multiplied by 60 meter. Now 6 6 are 36 and 2 zeros. Right? 3600. What is the unit of area? It is not meter, it is meter square, because meter into meter is meter square. Okay, if you write meter it will be wrong, it is meter square. So this is the area of the square. Here it is telling the area of the square park is the same as rectangular park. So area of square is 3600 meter and the area of square park is same as rectangular park. So the rectangular park will also be 3600 meter square. Okay. So now, given area of square is equal to area of rectangle, right? Okay. Area of square is equal to area of rectangle. Now what? So if area of square is equal to area of rectangle, area of square is 3600 meter square, 3600 meter square, then area of rectangle will also be 3600 meter square. Then area of rectangle will be 3600 meter square. 3600 meter square. Right? Now, what is the length given? This. So, what do we know? What is the formula of area of rectangle? It is length into breadth, right? So, what length is given? We need to find the breadth and the area. We also found it, right? Now, so area of rectangle is length into breadth. Then breadth is what? Area by length, right? Breadth of rectangle is area by length. Right? What is the area? It is 3600 meter square. Meter square by what is the length? It is already given, 90 meter. So 0 will be cut. 9 4s are 36, right? And then 0. So 40 meter. This is breadth. It will not be meter square, it will be meter. So what is the breadth? It is 40 meter. It is telling find the breadth of the rectangular part. We have already found out it is 40 meter. 40 meter is the answer. Now we are going to start question number 6. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, what will be the measure of each side? Also find which shape encloses more area. So first, you can see this is the wire. Suppose the wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is rebent in the shape of a rectangle, means this same wire is again rebent in the shape of a square. Okay, then what will be the measure of each side? Means each side of the square. What will be the measure of each side of the square? Also find out which shape encloses more area. This we will do afterwards. Okay, so first what we are going to take out? We are going to take out the perimeter of the rectangle because it is telling wire, right? So we need to find out the perimeter. So perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? It is 2 into L plus B, means length plus breadth. 2. What is the length? It is 40 centimeter and what is the breadth? It is 22 centimeter. Now 2 multiplied by 2 and 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 62 centimeter. 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12. 124 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the rectangle. If this is the perimeter of the rectangle, then it is also the length of the wire, right? Because the wire is only forming the rectangle. Now see, the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square. So what can we conclude from here? We can conclude that perimeter of a rectangle is equal to perimeter of the square. Why? Because the length of the wire is same in both the shape, right? The length of the wire is only the perimeter. So the perimeter of rectangle is same as the perimeter of square. Same this perimeter of square and the rectangle, right? Now, as perimeter of rectangle the perimeter of rectangle is equal to the perimeter of square, then perimeter of square is also 124 centimeter. Perimeter of square is also equal to 124 centimeter. Right? Now what we need to find out? We need to find out each side, measure of each side. So now what is the formula of perimeter of square? It is 4 into side, right? So what will be side? Side will be perimeter by 4. Side of a square is perimeter by 4. So side of square, perimeter by 4. Now what is the perimeter? It is 124 centimeter. By 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4. It is 31 centimeter. And this is the length of each side. The measure of each side, 31 centimeter. All the sides will be 31 centimeter because this is a square. So for what will be the measure of each side? The measure of each side will be 31 centimeter. We have found. Now also find which shape encloses more area. Now we need to find out which of this shape encloses more area. We know the length and breadth and we know the side. So what we need to do? We need to find out the area of both the shapes, right? So now let's find out the areas of both the shapes. First, area of rectangle. What is the formula of area of rectangle? It is L into B, length into breadth. L for length and B for breadth, right? L into B. Then L is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. So 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8 and 0, 1 0. 880 centimeter square because this is area, right? So 880 centimeter square is the area of rectangle. Now square. Area of square. What is the formula of area of square? It is side into side. Side square or side into side. So all the sides are same, 31 centimeter multiplied by 31 centimeter, right? So what is 31 into 31? 1, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9, right? 1, 3 plus 3 is 6 and 9. So 961. 961. We multiplied it. 961. Now centimeter square, because area same. So we need to find out which shape encloses more area. Which is greater, 880 centimeter square or 961 centimeter square? Of course 961 is greater than 880, right? So which shape encloses more area? 961 centimeter square is area of what? Square. So the square encloses more area. Therefore the square encloses more area. Right? So with this we have completed question number 6. The measure of each side we have found that it was 31 centimeter. And which shape encloses more area? The square encloses more area. With this we have completed question number 6. Now we are going to start question number 7. The perimeter of a rectangle is 130 centimeter. Okay, this is the rectangle. The breadth of the rectangle is 30 centimeter. Okay, the breadth 30 centimeter. Find its length. Also find the area of the rectangle. So what is given? Perimeter of rectangle is 130 centimeter and breadth is 30 centimeter. Then we need to find its length and then find the area of the rectangle. So first, perimeter of rectangle. Okay. What is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? It is 2 into length plus breadth, 2 L plus B or length plus breadth. Right, this is the formula. Now, or perimeter is given, right? 130 centimeter. So instead of perimeter of rectangle, we can write 130 centimeter is equal to 2. Length, we have to find length. L plus, what is the breadth? 30 centimeter. Right? Now, 130 centimeter is equal to 2 into L plus 30 centimeter. We can write this opposite, means 2 into L plus 30 centimeter is equal to 130 centimeter. Both are same. Okay, or 2 will go over here. So L plus 30 centimeter. Here it was into, right, multiplication. So here it will be division. 130 centimeter by 2, division. Right, because here was multiplication. Now 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10. Right? Or okay, so L is equal to, it is 65 centimeter and here was plus 30 centimeter. If it goes over here, minus 30 centimeter. Or L is equal to, what is 65 minus 30 centimeter? 5, and 6 minus 3 is 3. So the answer is 35 centimeter. This is the length. Now we also need to find the area of this rectangle. So length is 35 centimeter. Okay, 35 centimeter. Now let's find its area. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. What is the formula of area of rectangle? It is length into breadth, L into B. L is 35 centimeter and breadth is 30 centimeter. Now 3 5s are 15, 1 3 3 3s are 9 and 1 10, 105, and there is 1 0, right? Centimeter square, that is area square. So 1050 centimeters square is the area of this rectangle. Okay, so the length is 35 centimeter and the area is 1050 centimeters square. And now we are going to solve the last question, the 8th question of exercise 11.1. A door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall. The length of the wall is 4.5 meter and the breadth is 3.6 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall if the rate of whitewashing the wall is ₹20 per meter square. A door of length 2 meter and 1 meter. Suppose this is 2 meter and this is 1 meter. The length of the wall is 4.5 meter and the breadth is 3.6 meter. Right. So now what we need to find out? We need to find out the rate of whitewashing. We need to find out the cost of whitewashing the wall, not the door. So for this, what we are going to do? First, we are going to find out the area of the door and the area of the full wall with the door. Then we are going to subtract it. Then we are going to get only this much area. Okay, so let's do it. Solution. First, area of door. Area of door. Door is rectangle, right? What is the formula of area of rectangle? It is length into breadth. So length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter. 2 meter multiplied by 1 meter. What is the answer? 2 into 1 is 2. And area, so meter square. Right? This is the area of the door. Now the area of the wall with the door. We cannot find the area of the wall without the door, right? We are going to find the area of the wall with the door, this whole rectangle actually. So area of wall with door. So the length is 4.5 meter and the breadth is 3.6 meter. So let's multiply it. 4.5 and 3.6. Multiply. Now 6 5s are 30, 3, 6 4s are 24, 24, 25, 26, 27, 5 3s are 15, 1, 4 3s are 12, 13, 0, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1. 1620 decimal 16.2. 16.20, we need not to write 20. 16.2 meters square. It is area, meter square. So this is the area of wall with door. And we have also found out area of door is 2 meters square. Now we need to find out the area of wall, only the wall without the door. Because we are not going to whitewash the door, right? We are only going to whitewash the wall. The area of wall with door minus area of door. The area of wall without door (16.2 meters square minus 2 meters square). Okay. .2. And 6 minus 2 is 4 and 1. 14.2 meters square. This area meter square only. So 14.2 meters square is the area of only the wall without the door. Okay. Now we need to find out the cost of whitewashing the wall. The rate of whitewashing the wall is rupees 20 per meter square. 1 meter square's rate is rupees 20. Then what will be 14.2 meter square's rate, right? So the rate of whitewashing the cost of whitewashing the wall. What we are going to do? We are going to multiply 14.2 meters square into rupees 20. Okay, 14.2, because this is 1 meter square is rupees 20, right? If we need to find out 14.2 meter square's rate, then we are going to multiply 14.2 meter square into rupees 20. Rupees 20 meter square to rupees 20. So rupees, what will be 14.2 into 20? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 2 1s are 2, and there is 1 0. So before one digit, right? Rupees 284.0. We don't need to write 0.0. You can only say rupees 284. So this is the answer. Okay. Therefore, the cost of whitewashing the wall is rupees 284. Therefore, the cost of whitewashing the wall is rupees 284. With this, we have completed question number 8 and exercise 11.1. In the next video, I am going to be back with exercise 11.2. And if you like this video, click on like button, and to get some more new videos like this, please click on subscribe button. Thank you.